Good morning to all. I am Jayant Gora, student of IFIM Law School BBA LLB first year. From the given option to present in National Inter-College E-competition organized by SS Jain Subodh PG College, I choose topic of impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy. Talking about COVID-19, it stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. It is a communicable disease which grows by the process of proliferation. Its characteristics are 80% similar to SARS, and similarly COVID-19 gradually became a global pandemic. The first case of coronavirus was registered in China on 17 November 2019. Soon the virus got the pace and spread in the whole world. India got his first registered case on 27 January 2020 in Kerala. To control the spread and beat the virus, the central government has announced the lockdown on 24 March 2020. The lockdown stretched approximately 5 months in 4 phases. There was no movement of any commercial activity during the time. Only the most essential activities like medical, ration shops, banking sector, police and security services given the permission to operate. But there lies a surprising fact that is very great global crisis became the reason for period of big boom. Though it was a crisis of World War I, World War II, the Great Depression of 30s, fall of Lehman Brothers, many scholars believe that Indian economy will also bounce back with boom. One of the long-term impact of COVID-19 is more digital economy. Demonetization was the shock that put the India into the more digital era. COVID-19 to the theme of more digital economy to another step. People are now preferring less contact, less travel and less gathering. Digital app and website provide a more stable and more safe platform to continue the daily routine. Another long-term impact is global supply chain is redrawn. China was the factory for world for a very long time. Due to COVID-19, the China had been in a severe lockdown, which led to scarcity of resources. The world has realized that it is not a good idea to be dependent on one country. India during the pandemic emerged as a base manufacturer of number of goods. India is now acquiring a more recognizable position in the global market, which was earlier hindered by China. Self-dependency. COVID-19 made difficult to import goods from another countries. The scarcity of resources made industrialists to find a new method to produce goods. Some substituted the foreign goods, while some found the substituents of foreign raw material. This is directly or indirectly led India to become self-dependent. Work from home in the time of COVID-19 came as emerging trend in youth. People can work in their comfortable zone as well as can do miscellaneous household work in their free time. It also allows employees to spend more family time. Moreover, it reduces travel expenses. Now some short-term impacts. One of the short-term impacts is boom in the agriculture sector and service sector. COVID-19 made many industrial laborers lose their jobs. Most of them went to farm to earn living. This indirectly led to increase in production of crops. Service sector is one of the low at the least affected by COVID-19. Moreover, many companies went fully online, which benefited service sector. Second short-term impact is on medical equipment. COVID-19 has increased demand of ventilators, PPE kits, ICUs, cleaning liquid, mask, RT-PCR sanitizer, etc. The industries which were capable to produce the equipment enjoyed profit. It is also led to social development. Growth of social media platform. Nearly 80% of India's population came on social media platform during lockdown. Mostly every platform gained attention. The goodwill and the share price of these companies flew to the high. The following table shows the price of the shares of different platforms in 2019 and 2021. Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, YouTube, every platform enjoyed increase in its share tremendous manner. A purified environment. A long of 5 months transportation and industries were restricted to least. The carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, sulfur dioxide and other pollutants were emitted least. The dissolved level of oxygen in rivers were increased to 79%. Sewage and industrial waste was decreased to 500%. Air quality index decreased to 35%. Carbon dioxide emission decreases to 23%. Manjeet Kong wrote that for the first time in almost 30 years, he could clearly see the Himalayas due to India's lockdown clearing air pollution. It is a quite heart-touching impact which is followed by another impact that is comeback of wildlife. As the environment is cleaned, many species like Asian leopard, flamingo, mountain goat, nilgai, migratory bird, bison, etc., which were on the verge of extinction, whose habitat was destroyed by humans, are now recovering. Frankly, nature is healing while people are bounded inside four walls. Now, the social impact, that is value for family. We were so busy in earning the fragile that we forgot to earn the immortal moments. It took one disease to know back the value of family. The family which we lost somewhere in this materialistic world, the real family, not the virtual one. The family which never stepped back, even at the worst condition. Moreover, we should not forget the NGO members who risked their life without any expectation of returns. We can find out thousands of drawbacks of COVID-19, which can or may create hatred or fear of coronavirus, depression or stress in public. But I want to highlight those 10 reasons whose only motive is to make people believe that something good will always be there. Every day could be the last day, every meet could be the last meet, every breath could be the last breath. So instead of worrying, why shouldn't we enjoy the beautiful world given by the mighty power? Thank you.